Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, my kings, queens? What's up to the kingdom? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the castle. About to drop another one for y'all, man. Just wanted to give y'all another quick video. But hey, before we get started, remember, hey, everybody who comes into the kingdom, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you can be notified of our videos that I drop. And if you are new to the kingdom, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, this is where we make it happen. The grind don't stop. You already know what it is. Hey, boy, I had to do a quick little something real quick. Hey, today is Friday. TGIF. You already know what it is. Yes, it's that, well, why it doesn't get celebrated, but you know, it's MLK weekend. So I know the weather is not too ideal for most folks, where you know you can get your barbecue on and stuff like that. Well, what most like to do, I definitely would love to do that, but at the time, it's like raining out there. 55 degrees, it doesn't matter. I would still light up that pit if the sun was out. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a great weekend or plans on having a great weekend. But let's get off into it. You know your boy had to go drop something real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? So, something slight. These did just drop out the other day. So, you know, a lot of people talk about these, and you know, these get a lot of backlash because it's crazy, because people that like highs say that they really don't mess with the mid. So for me, I don't mind the mid, you know what I'm saying? So got a Game Royal mid, and I'm about to give you my opinion on it. So the issue is, what is the problem? What is the real issue with mids? Because people that don't like mids, you still like a low, but you prefer a high. Don't get me wrong, I would love a high, don't get me wrong. But sometimes mids come out with some fire stuff. So the thing is, if you didn't get, let's just say you weren't able to grab a high, you can still grab a mid. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna use it for my thumbnail. So, real quick, real slight, leather upper on this one, which is a good. You got the blue check mark. It's a little shiny on the check mark. It's not patent leather, as you would think. You can see how that light just kind of pops off of it, but it is kind of like a shiny plastic type. I don't even think you can say that to leather, but it's not patent leather, but it's kind of like a little shiny. And the same thing with the Wings logo, as you see there, which is kind of crazy. I definitely wouldn't mind it if they'd just been a blue leather like the collar, which would have been great. I think that would have been good. Now this is something that, you know, you can rock with some blue laces, or, you know, keep it with the black ones. And even some white ones might pop, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you still have your traditional sole, and you had that blue toe, that toe box. So the thing is, if you were not able to grab a pair of Game Royals when they did come out, here's the second chance for you to grab, you know what I'm saying, a Game Royal mid. Now, would have been nice if they'd have hit it with the white in the toe box, in the side panels, which would have been good, and it really would have been a Game Royal mid. But I'm saying this is one of the things you can grab if you weren't able to grab it. But even in the floorboard, it's black. Yeah, black with the blue Jumpman on the floorboard. You already know, with the tongue, the nylon tongue, the Jumpman with the arrows on there. Hey, sizing information for me, you know what I'm saying? I definitely wouldn't mind grabbing these. I did miss out on the opportunity to grab the Game Royal High. So, you know, when I seen these, it was like, you know what, let me go ahead and grab these. Plus, you know, I was able to use my coupons and discount. So it really wasn't much to grab these, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, these retailing for $110, and I think I did, was it 78, 80, like 81 bucks, something like that. So not a bad grab, especially if you have your coupons. And the reason why I say if you had your coupons, if you guys are not aware that all the apps are combining. So Foot Locker, Champs, East Bay, Kids Foot Locker, Lady Foot Locker, these apps are combining to be, which is going to be the Flex app. I call it Flex because it's FLX, and maybe that is what they were shooting for, but I'm calling it Flex. So they are definitely combining those apps to where once you enter in for the draw or for the raffle or what have you, you're gonna hit in one of those places. If you don't hit in that place, or if you hit, well, the thing is, if you hit in one place, you will not be able to go get multiple pairs. For you know, you guys is out there reselling and you know copying multiple pairs. The only way you're gonna be able to do that, honestly, is if you're able to grab. You're gonna have to do it with multiple emails, because one email is gonna go entirely across the board for all the apps. So it's gonna be the Flex app, and when I'm telling you it's happening soon, I'm talking about pretty much this month, no later than February, but definitely this month. Is happening soon, man. They've already made the steps to where they combine all the apps. If you see that, you know what I'm saying, you sign in a Foot Locker, you see all the different stores up under that brand, they're already combining it. So this is just another step in that direction. And for me, I understand the resale game. It is what it is. Excuse me. I like it because now it just gives, you know, everyone opportunity to grab their pairs that they're trying to grab. So I like that. Now the bad part about that is if you're trying to grab multiple pairs, let's say you're trying to grab multiple pairs for you and your gal, your wife, or whatever the case may be, or even your kids, I think that's where the issues are going to be kind of, it's going to be messed up. It's going to be misconstrued because one email per account. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe they'll do some tweaking or something like that. But y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about that. Let me know what you guys think about these old Game Royal mid ones, blue toes. That's what I'm calling them, blue toes, Game Royals. Let me know what y'all think about those. Do you have the original ones? You know what I'm saying? I would definitely wouldn't mind having a pair of those, but you know what I'm saying? So, you know, the lows, the mids, I just don't have the highs. So it's all good. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about that. I just wanted to drop this gem on y'all real quick, give y'all my quick opinion and review on these. And leather on this is pretty decent. It's all right. You know, y'all know ones are kind of stiff, you know, 'cause especially around the ankle collar. You know, you're gonna have that pinch in there where it's gonna support your ankle. You know what I'm saying? White midsole I like. I just wish that they would have did the white on the upper. That would have been good, in my opinion. And you know, mids don't come with extra laces, so you know, I'll see if I can try to do a lace swap on these and see how these go. All right, so there you have it. Hey, make sure that you guys subscribe, like, share, comment. I like all of that stuff. Let's chop it up in the comments. And I greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. Later on, we're gonna see if your boy hits on those ones, those all black ones for tomorrow. We'll see. And y'all know my slogan. I always say, to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.